Hi, this is Srinivas. Welcome back to my channel KSR English. Now we are going to discuss about reported speech, that is direct and indirect speech. Before moving on, please like, share and subscribe my channel if you haven't. Thank you so much. Now let us discuss reported speech. We could call it as direct and indirect speech. Now let us see. Speech. Here there are two types of speech. There are two types of speech. First one direct speech and second one indirect speech. Okay, understand? There are two types of speech. First one direct speech and second one indirect speech. Now what is direct speech? What is direct speech? See, direct speech is a sentence which gives actual words of the speaker are quoted as it is without any change. This is called direct speech. Understand? Actual words of the speaker. Simply you can say actual words of the speaker. That is called direct speech. Okay. Suppose you say something. So without changing, if some other said same thing what you have said, that is called direct speech. Without changing. For example, I said I am a teacher. I said I am a teacher. If some other person is telling to somebody without change my words, what would he say? The teacher, he said, I am a teacher. He said, I am a teacher. So, without changing words, if we say, you can say direct speech. Okay. That means actual words of the speaker. We must understand this. Actual words of the speaker. And second point, words must be inverted commas. In the direct speech, words must be in inverted commas. Okay, what the reporter delivered the report, that report must be in inverted commas. Okay, that is the main point. Example, he said, comma, in inverted commas, I am a teacher. Okay, see, he said, what he said? I am a teacher. I am a teacher. So here the words of the speaker will not change anything. The words of the speaker will not change anything. That is called direct speech. Now indirect speech. A sentence which we give the substance of what the speaker said or without quoting his exact words. This is called indirect speech. See, direct speech is actual words of the speaker. Just remember, direct speech means actual words of the speaker. But here indirect speech, a sentence which we give substance, not actual words. Substance of the what the speaker said, the substance of the actual words. Okay, without quoting. In the direct speech, with quoting, with quotation, but here without quoting is exact. This is called indirect speech. Okay, so here example, he said that he was a teacher. In direct speech, he said, I am a teacher. But indirect speech, that substance, okay, he said that he was a teacher. Understand? This is called indirect speech. Now let us see same example. He said, I am a teacher. He said, I am a teacher. This is direct speech. He said, comma, inverted commas, within the inverted commas, I am a teacher. See, here we divide two parts. He said, this part is called reporting part. This part is called reporting part. See, the sentence in the inverted commas, this part is reported part. Okay, this part is reported part, this part is reporting part. Understand? Here we divide two parts in sentence. The sentence can be divided two parts. First part, he said, this part is called reporting part. And here this part which is in the inverted comma, this part is called reported part. Let us see the reporting part. Okay, reporting part. Reporting part. Here he is here reporter.